Hello students, now today we are going to start a topic that is a microprocessor kit. In this we have to study how we are going to write the program. Okay, the two or three types of the kits are available in the market, but the very familiar kit which is available in a college and institution, there is a Anshuman kit. This Anshuman kit is looking like this. Okay students, this is the kit. In this kit you have to perform the various programs related to the microprocessor. Okay, if you observe this kit very carefully, you will be seeing this. Here there are the number of the ICs. Okay students, here you are observing, here these are the number of the ICs which is available with this kit. Here you have to attach the power supply. This part here you have to attach the power supply. These are the two ICs. This IC is nothing but it is a 8255 IC. You are using the port A, port B, port C. Okay, for initialization. And here there is a main 8085. This 8085, as discussed earlier, the pin number 1, pin number 2, the crystal has been attached. This is the crystal. Okay, this is the crystal which is used for maintaining the stability of the IC. And this is the keyboard of this particular Anshuman kit. After displaying this particular thing, here you are able to view the Anshuman kit. Okay, Anshuman, after giving supply to this particular kit, the Anshuman will be get displayed, and here you have to write the program by using this particular keyboard. Okay, this transistor and the resistor, it is nothing but it is used for displaying this particular display, that is FNT507. Now here the part which is the blank here, here it is a cell. Okay, for a dynamic memory this cell has been used. Whenever the power will be get off, automatically the data is being get stored in this particular memory. Okay, so this we are using the 1.5 volt cell for the dynamic memory. Now we will see how to start the kit and how it goes on working. Okay, so just 1 minute. For attaching this one, you have this power supply. This power supply is used for making the Anshuman kit to be on. First we have to make this on. Okay, here we have make this power supply on, and then hello students, now we are going to start the program of 8085. The very first program which is come in this topic, that is addition. First, from the simple program we will go to the harder program. Okay, the first program which is of addition. Addition, you have to add two number in such a way that the result will be get displayed in the accumulator, or whatever the number, whatever the address you will be assigning, that address the result will be get stored. Okay students, so there is a one thing. Suppose the two number has been given, write the assembly language program. This WAP is nothing but it is a write assembly language program. Okay, write assembly language to add two hexadecimal number. Okay students, the hexadecimal number, we will directly take the number and that number is going to be stored in a one particular register. Okay, the number which is assigned, that is 32H and 48H. These are the two numbers which is given, and we have to add that particular number, and whatever the result will be seen, that result we have to see in a register, means in an accumulator we will see, or wherever we are going to store that particular result, we will be observing that result in that particular address. Okay, so for writing the program you need a one table. Okay, and the mnemonics is very much important. Apart from that mnemonics, you have to find out the opcode also. So for that there is a one chart. Now the number What is the first number? It is 32, and second number it is 48. So suppose we have stored the first number into the A, which is having the value 32H, and second number in the B register, that is 48H. So these are the two numbers. Now if we add this number, what will be the answer? After addition of these two numbers, we will get 32 and 48. We have to write down this 32 and 48 in such a way in the form of 0 and 1 for addition. Okay, so 32 has to be get written 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Then 48 number 0 1 0 0, the 8 number 1 0 0 0. Okay, we are going to add the number. What will the result we will see, and that result will be stored in the program, and that we have to perform in a kit. That kit is nothing but it is a Anshuman kit. Okay students, so this one here 0 1 plus 0, it is 1, it is 0, it is 1, it is 1 1 1 and 0, means here the 7A will be the answer, which will be again stored in the accumulator, that is A, or the specified address. For writing this program, only the two registers, that two register contains A and B. Okay, so you have to write down first, you have to make the chart, and that chart is very much important. It is first the memory address, then second number the label, then the mnemonics, then comes a opcode, and then comes a comment. Okay, so this much part is very much important. In this particular block you have to write the program. Okay, this is the starting address. As the Anshuman kit, in that Anshuman kit we have the starting address that is starting from 20F0. Okay, and whatever the number is going to be stored by us, it is the 20D0. Okay, but now here we are not storing that number in that particular address, so directly we are going to store in the register, so no need of adding the second address. Okay, so the first instruction which is used, first we will write on the mnemonics, and then we will see the address, what is the address which is assigned to this particular program. So the very first thing, MVI A, comma 32H, because it is a direct, we have to store that number in the A register, so directly I have written MVI A 32H, then MVI B 48H. Okay students, now what is the main thing we have to add? We have to add the two number, means which is the instruction? Yes, it is add B. Okay, add B. If this B will be get added, then automatically 32 number and the 48 number will be get added, and the result will be shown like this. Okay, we will see all it in the that Anshuman kit. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to halt the program. Okay, this halt is having one code that we will see. So here, up to here we will end the program. After the halt, the no program is going to be executed. So how much byte it is required for MVIA and 32H? There are the two locations, means a 2-byte instruction. Okay, MVIA, it requires the memory address 20F0, and for writing this 32, another memory address, that is 20F1, it is required. Okay, then MVIB, again after this one 20F2, 48, it is 20F3, then add B 20F4, and for the halt it is 20F5. So this is the memory addresses. When we will write the program in actual kit, you will be able to understand that how these memory addresses have to be get assigned. Okay, then what is the code for MVIA? This code, you have to study that code from the back side of your book. It is being provided in the examination also. So the MVIA, the code it is written, that is 3E. Okay, comma, this 32 number is assigned to this particular A. Okay, what is the number? 32. We have written here. 32H we have written. Then MVIB, the another instruction. The opcode for that it is a 06 number. 06 06 number, and the 48 number is being get assigned by you. Then add B, ADDB. ADDB is nothing but it is having the opcode that is a 80, and the halt it is in the book it is written 76. For the kit address you have to write the CF. If you write the 76, then maybe the program will not run because there will be the halt, there will be the wait instruction. So instead of writing this 76, you have to write down the kit address that is a CF. Okay, then here the comment you have to write down what this instruction do. Okay, so it is very much simple. It is homework for you to do. Okay, and the result will be get stored with this accumulator with the 7A will be the answer. This we will see in the kit. Okay, students. This is the power supply pin. Here there are the different terminals which is been get attached with this particular 8085 Anshuman kit. Here this is the position where we have to attach the power supply wire. It requires plus 5 volt, minus 5 volt, plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt. These are all the supply which is used for making this IC to be in a working condition. This IC you are observing, it is nothing but it is a ROM IC. Here the many number of data is been get stored. Whenever we are going to require, it is used for displaying. This is the printer. As you want to print the program what is written in this is the slot which is available for printing purpose. These are the ports, and these are the different types of the IC which performs the addition, subtraction, multiplication. For the internal uses we are using performing this value. Now as soon as we on the power supply, here you have seen it, the Anshuman is going to be displayed like this. Okay, means this kit is in a working condition. Now for initialization, first we have to restart the button, and then for making on, here whatever the addresses has to be get stored, first we have taken the address. For making start you have to press SCR. Then this address is of a 16 bit. You have to write this address as 20F0. This is the address which is allotted for this Anshuman kit, and as soon as you press this CR is in a computer it is a enter, but now in a this kit it is a CR, it is a enter button for this Anshuman kit. Here the two 8-bit display has been shown to you. Here this is the data, whatever the addresses in front there is a data. Here as we press the CR button, one addresses is incremented. Okay, so here we are incrementing the address like this. Okay, as soon as we put this particular data, suppose in this we want to go back, then CNT and CR is the key which you have to press back side. Okay, if you want to go front, then CR button, the enter button. If you have to go back, then CNT you have to press, and the CR button you have to press. The one data will be get back. Okay, now we have to write something in this particular address. Suppose I have written this A5, this is the value, then it is stored in 20F0. Next 20F1 we have to store something, we have written 47. Then 20F2 I have written 35. So these are the numbers which is been get stored in this particular address. If you want to observe that number which is written, the press CNT and the CR button, so that we will be able to view this whatever the previous we have written. Okay, now suppose we have to add one something program, then you have this particular Anshuman kit to be written in such a way. This is the program which has to be get written. Okay, suppose you have the value MVI A comma 32H, then MVI B comma MVI B comma 48H, add B and halt the program. Okay, this is the program which has been written by me. Now it is a simple addition program. So by adding these two particular number, the 32 number and the 48 number is to be get added. When you are using this particular add B, automatically the 32 will be get added and the number will be get stored in the accumulator. That is now at present the A contains 32, B contains 48. Okay, this we have studied. We have given the instruction add B, means this 48 will be get added with the 32. So whatever the addition, this addition 32, we have to write this 32 in a different 4 bit. So here we will write 0011, this 2 0010, this 48 we have to write again in the different 4 bit. So 0100, then 8 number 1010, and if you add the number you will be getting 0. Okay, 8 number, it is like this: 0101, then 1110. So what is the number? It is 0111, means it is a 7, and 1010 it is A. So at the A, means in the accumulator, the number will be get stored, that is 7A. How it is going to be get stored, we have to understood by using this particular kit. Okay students, so you have, as this MVIA 32, you have to follow the code. This code has to be seen by you in a book. MVIA, the code written in the book, that is 3E, and whatever the data we have taken, it is 32, you have to write 32 as it is. Then MVIB, it is having the code 06, and the data which we have taken, that is 48 number. ADDB, the code it is written, it is 80. Okay, and halt, directly we are making the program to end. This halt is having the code CF, or you may write down 76 also, but generally in this kit it is having the CF code for halt, for stopping the program, and you have to run the program. The running process I will tell you. Okay, first we have to enter what we have written here. Okay students, so what is the first step? We have to first reset the whole thing. The Anshuman will be get displayed, then you have to press S, that is a substitute, then you have to press the CR button, then the memory will be get displayed. Again you have to press one CR button so that the address will be get displayed. In this address you have to write down the starting address. As the starting address for this MVIA, we have to write, as I told you, the address starting for the Anshuman, it is 20F0. So we have to write down 20F0. Okay, 20F0, press the CR. Here the number will be get displayed. Whatever the number is displayed, we have to rub out. Okay, so what will be the first instruction? MVIA instruction, we have to write down the code, that is 3E. So we will write here 3E for this 20F0, and the next location, that is 20F1, we have to press one CR button so that 20F1 will be get here, and the number which is going to be add, it is being pressed, that is 32. Okay students, this is the 32 number. Then again go to the next address, you will display the 20F2. In 20F2 you have to write down the code for this MVIB. It is nothing but it is 06. So just you write down the 06 number. Again you press the enter button, and what is the next data? It is 48. You have to write down the 48 in the 20F3 location. Okay, 20F3 address. Next again press the CR button, you will get the 20F4. So 20F4 you have to write down the ADDB code, that is 80. 80 has been assigned for the ADDB 80, and then directly the last option, the last address, that is 20F5, you have to write down the halt opcode. Okay, so it is the CF, just write down the CF. Okay, if you want to see previous whatever we have written, it is correct or not, then press the count button and the CR button so that it will be get reverse, and starting from 20F0, just you check it, 3E, then 32, then 06, then 48, then 80, then CF. Okay, after this CF, what you have to do, you have to run the program. For running this particular program, you have to go one step ahead. Okay, so press CR one time, then the process is very much important to you. First you have to press escape, go to CR. What was the first address pressed by us? It was 20F0. So just you have to write down the 20F0 and press CR. Okay, the substitute and the command will be get executed, and for displaying the result, SCR, press any key 2 times. Leave this CR, any key 2 times, the register will be get displayed, and as soon as the register will be get displayed, press the CR button, so that whatever the accumulator, this accumulator contains the addition of this 32 and 48. So whatever we have taken, that is a 7a, here the 7a is going to be get displayed. It means whatever the program we have written for the addition, it is correct, and whatever the data we have taken, this data has been get converted into form of this particular zeros and ones, and again the value has been assigned in the accumulator, that is a 7a. Okay students, after this one, you just press the CR button, you will observe the what is the value which is present in the B. Okay, press CR 2 times, so that the previously we have stored the B in a register B, it was 48, in a register A it was 32. So this 48 and 32 has been get added, and the result will be in a accumulator, that is in a, that is 7a. Okay, next again you press, these are the different types of the registers which is present in the 8085. Okay, here the D register, here the E register, here the F, then H and L. This H and L is nothing but the memory. Okay, and here the P, the address of that particular thing, then the substitute address has been given to you, then again the accumulator where the result is going to be stored. In this way, this is the process for writing the program, executing the program, and viewing the result. Okay students, it might help you in a practical also, but we are trying our level best for giving you a best, and that's why I have done this video for you, the special video for you, for using and for viewing these particular things. Okay sir, okay students, thank you.